So in case you want to open the trunk, you can go here to the vehicle drawer, press access, then make sure that light is on, because if it's gray like this one, that's probably because you're still driving or because some other malfunction. So once it's white, you can press it, it will open the trunk. Once the trunk is open, you can also close it from here. Just press it, you already hear the sound, trunk is closing. But one thing I learned is that it's almost faster than going here to the car and to the access and press the button and wait until it's actually active. I just used the fob, press 2 times the button, the trunk is already opening. And then again 2 times and it's closing. I use the key fob, press here the button twice, trunk opens. Of course I can close it the same way, I press it twice, light is already coming and it's closing. The other option, you have key fob in the pocket, or you have the phone as a key active, and of course a connection with the car. You can press the button here and the trunk opens. Now you can close it either through that button or through that button. I will show you both. So I press now here, it will close. Then again when it's open, I can also close through that button. Let me show you how I close through that button. I press the button and it closes. Now I show you how the kick works. I usually try to kick right here left next to the license plate. I don't touch the bumper and I kick straight in and straight back. Key fob in the pocket or phone as a key active with an active connection. So I go here, I kick, trunk opens. And you can also close it that way. So as soon as it is open, again here next to the license plate, kick and the trunk closes. That's how the kick works. Works for me almost 99% of the time. So of course you can also open the trunk through the ForPass app. You gotta press the trunk icon right here. It says press and hold, stay on it, and then the trunk opens. Same with the closing, you hold it until the trunk closes.